Howdy, folks. Are your keyboard keys looking a little worse for wear? Well, let me tell you about something special that'll make your typing experience as pretty as a rose garden. Introducing these here white rose theme PBT Keycaps. They're as elegant as a Southern Belle and tougher than an old boot. With 141 keys in cherry red and crisp white, they'll dress up any mechanical keyboard faster than you can say mint julep. Now, these ain't your average keycaps. They're made with high-quality PBT material and use dye-sublimation, meaning those beautiful designs won't fade away like a summer tan. And with that cherry profile, your fingers will dance across them smoother than butter on a hot biscuit. So why wait? Click that link down yonder and give your keyboard the makeover it deserves. Trust me, y'all won't be disappointed.